Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Good to hear. So, how is going on your English practice nowadays?
Nowadays it quite well, and I'm very confident nowadays. Due to my practices, I do listening and speaking practice more, but need some more improvement in for the grammar part also.
Okay, yeah, that's great. So, are you in the office right now?
No,
Or
no, no. I am not in office. I take leave due to my health. My health is not good. I am feeling little bit fever and some body pain, but I am okay now. After that, I take some. Yeah.
hmm, yeah, actually, no, in these days, weather is not going well. Okay,
Weather change suddenly, so that's why I'm affecting my health.
yes. Sometimes you feel cold, sometimes you feel very
Mm, mm,
so it affects, it affects us, our body, and
yeah.
due to then we get sick time to time.
Yes, yes, that is the issue. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I think nowadays I just want to know your present activities for improving your English. What do you do nowadays? May I know?
Yes, nowadays I do one-to-one conversation,
Mm-hmm.
and after that I watch my video, and then I go for my improvement. For that, I majorly focus. I'm making mistakes. So after listening attentively, then I make sure which area is more important, and I'm more focused. So these things, and I also do one practice like record my video while explaining any topic, random topic, small topics. With the help of ChatGPT, I select some content and I prepare, and after that I turn on my camera and record. Means recording means I have 10 minutes and 12 minutes video max to max. I want to speak in English. Yeah. These
Hmm.
things I do.
Of course, this is a very effective ways to improve your
Mhm.
English very early. And I would like to say one thing: if you do shadow practice, so it will also help you. So, do you
Yeah,
do shadow?
yeah, I do, but not much more. I do sometimes. I read subtitle and try to imitate things, but I'm not do much more. But do more listening practice, English
Hmm.
listening practice. Yeah, so, things I do.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So nowadays, may I know about your hobbies? What do you like nowadays at your late time?
So nowadays, I have a habit of writing diary. So I prefer to write diary in the morning time and writing some to-do list, my whole day's activity. These things I do. So these are the things. Mean sometime I have read some books, good books like nowadays I'm reading a book like the book name is start with the author of this book is Simon Smith. And
Okay.
one more book is Atomic Habit, James Clear. So I'm start with why I recently read it. I'm not completed. I'm the mid of this book. So after this completing this book, I go through the Atomic Habit. Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, Atomic Habits, it's a very
Mm,
convenient
mm,
for
mm,
learners where you are going to have a very
mm,
simple vocabulary. So this would be the very
mm,
easy to understand
mm.
and you can make
Yes,
sense.
yes, yes, correct, correct. So actually, I also want to one question. So, how can we develop a good personality
Hmm.
nowadays in me because nowadays yeah I have some issue like some person say that your personality not good and you don't perform very well in your interview. So, how can we improve your personality? What's your opinion? Can you tell me
Yes,
your
sure.
perspective? Yeah.
By developing your personalities, you have to encounter the multiple peoples in your life. Supposed to
Uh-huh.
be in arranging any meeting. In that meeting, 5 or 10
Mhm.
people are coming, right? So in that
Mhm.
meeting, you have to discuss with them with
Mhm.
confidence. When
Mhm.
you discuss anything, so you have to cautious about what you speak. It's a quite convenient for others to understand what you want to express there. Okay,
Mhm.
and you must
Mhm.
have better knowledge regarding any topics, any matters, so that you
Mhm.
can manifest your idea in a very convenient manner. If I discuss
Mhm.
about examples related software, I mean development of your personalities. If I discuss about multinational companies, there you will receive
Mhm.
multiple employee. They always, presented their what I say assignment surrounding
Project
that
assignment.
project. You can say, yeah, surrounding
Mhm.
5 members of that companies, right? In a very
Mhm.
confident, convenient manner with the confidence. Yeah.
Mhm.
So this is
Mhm.
the way you can develop your personality. You do not have any hesitation while explaining anything. This
Mhm.
is called develop your personalities. Like still I'm explaining you. I don't have any anxiety and fear, any complication,
Mhm.
right? In order to explain anything to you. So this is
Mhm.
called develop your personality. This way you can increase your levels of speaking and your knowledge.
Mhm. Yeah, I agree. I completely agree. Means you have the confidence, or if you have, if you tell any things to the people, you are very well to know the things, and you should speak in a polite manner, and you speak those things who people understand easily, very easily. So that's why your communication is more effective and understandable to everyone. So that's things, yeah. So I want to know about in the personality development, how much contribution of your body language, how much affect the communication through your body language. Yeah.
It really impacts a lot
Uh-huh.
over your personalities. It really
Uh-huh.
matters how you sustain your
Yes.
body language according to the
Uh-huh.
needs. If you express
Uh-huh.
your masses
Uh-huh.
surrounding your peoples, that
Uh-huh.
time people will be observe your body language. Okay,
Yes.
you are being judged by
Uh-huh.
people through your body language because it's supposed to be so confident,
Uh-huh.
so overconfident if you have. Okay,
Uh-huh.
body language will define how much you are proficient into that field,
Uh-huh.
how much you
Uh-huh.
are right with. Your body language will define, right? It will be the
Yeah.
reflection,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
That's
Mhm.
fine. So body language is very important also, right?
Mm.
So
Yes, I clearly agree. So according to my knowledge, your body language matter most, and things means very important to you have the very good eye contact with your audience, and how to stand, what's your posture. These are the things are also important. How to use your hand for explaining anything. So it's the very important how to stand out this thing in the podium. This so if you maintain both, means you if you have the strong knowledge of technical parts as well as you have a good command of the communication skills. In the communication skills, body language is a part of this part these things. So if you have the both combination, then you perform very well in your meeting, in your any event. That's it.
yes, you're right. Because somewhere if I discuss about some
Mhm.
examples in a
Mhm.
hospital, so many patients have multiple expectation from the doctors, right? The
Mhm.
way he explain the things to their patient, so their
Mhm.
patient they have observed through the
Mhm.
statement of doctors, their confidence level, the way he's
Mhm. इससे
presents surrounding the patient, right? We get
Mhm.
relief after listening their statements regarding any matter through their confidence level, through their appearance, right?
Mhm.
They,
Yeah.
they start feeling, they start believing on them. Yeah, He's really right. Because of having the positive, appearance of doctors surrounding
Mm,
us. Right.
yeah.
Language is
It's the very totally. I agree. Actually, if you suggest that you means you feel that if person is speak with very confident, yes, I do. I take care this disease and I remove the disease. Means the how doctor or to articulate your thought, then patient understand. Yeah, this doctor is very good. He take it very seriously, and I am very good to know this doctor. This things means your words gives the power to other person to believe in yourself. Means yeah.
yes. Your each statement,
Mm,
stop
mm,
the multiple
notes.
into the patient mind. If you give
Yeah.
the one positive
Mm, mm,
mass,
mm,
right?
mm,
We are the
yeah.
human, have the
Mm,
behave of receiving the multiple thoughts regarding the matter, and internally
yes.
they
Yes.
start ordering self, right? So we always get expectation to
Mm,
receive the positive
mm,
comment, positive reply,
mm,
right, regarding any matter. So the
mm,
confidence, the way you express yourself surrounding your
mm.
patient, it really matters.
Yeah, really
Okay.
matter and patient recover more if you more confident and you give the positive information to the patient. This is not a very big disease. If you take medicine and follow some rules and regulation, then you usually take a mean you usually recover this problem.
Yes.
So positive
One
words
state,
gives the more power, I think. Yeah,
yes.
for
One
boosting your
state,
confidence.
being a doctor, your one statement can relive the hope inside the patient. Okay.
Patient and family
That,
members also. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yes. Your family, that family, her family, or their family also
Mm,
will believing on you again. My
mm,
my family member keep alive for a long time because doctor has given me positive statement regarding their injury and problems. They will be
mm,
recover very soon. So this is the kinds of belief you can say the people have after receiving the statement of you as a doctor,
mhm, mm.
right?
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. So you have any question for me?
Um, yes. So
Yeah,
nowadays,
please. Mhm.
where are you working? On which part are you working to improve yourself in English?
So nowadays I am pushing on grammar. In a part, I mostly focus on the tenses. Yeah, tensions and say modal verbs. So I focus. Yeah, I started focusing on tenses and modal verb because if I have the means knowledge to construct the good sentence, then it's very affects my conversation. Nowadays, I am facing the problem of constructive sentence in a correct way. Sometimes I messed up past, simple, present, future. Sometimes I have problem in the past and present. Sometimes I don't understand which tense I use or explaining my thoughts, articulating my thoughts. That's why some other person suggest me, please work on your tenses firstly, and then after that you go for the next things.
Hmm. Yes, tenses is very important for you to express
Mhm.
your past activities, your present, your futures, right?
Mm, yeah.
Because it will define how much dedicated you were at the certain period of time
Mm,
you have to work upon. If you really want to be a proficient into this language,
mhm,
okay, and it will really
yeah.
help you to have the better
Mm,
fluency and it will help you to gain confidence level because
mhm,
somewhere you need to receive the belief inside of you. I'm going on right way. I'm on
mm.
the right since having belief self, it's a very imperative for you.
Yeah, yeah. Self-belief
Right?
is very, very important for boosting your confidence. If you have a zero knowledge, but if you have the self-belief, I will do it. So if you start your action on what you want, day by day, you should improve day by day, and you after 1 month you have improved 30%. If you improve 1% in a day, So at the end of 30 days, you have 30% improvement in yourself, and this 30% in result give the remarkable for your journey. Yeah, and result will give the motivation to do more things related to your field. I think it's my opinion. Yeah.
You, and that's the reason,
Mhm.
always we have to do all the type of works. We
Mhm.
must increase our belief them.
Yes,
Okay.
correct, correct. So
Okay.
I have a last question. Yeah, I have a
Yes.
one last question. After that, we can wind up the session. So how do we think about the public speaking? And if anyone wants to do public speaking, so what steps follow? Can you tell?
Yes, you will. Publicly expose yourself so it is very convenient for you to long period of time. Okay.
Mhm.
You are going to have the chance of removing your hesitation, your anxiety included your of your spoken English.
Mhm.
Public speaking, it's not that much easy. What we consider about that, really. You have to gather, okay? You have to accumulate so much,
Mhm.
courage and confidence to expose
Mhm.
yourself publicly. So many benefits are you going to have if you expose publicly, okay? So that you have exactly the people face to face on the
Mhm.
speech, on the street, in the office, where you can. It's a totally up to you. What way are you applying to connect with people in reality? So this is my opinion. Public speaking is very important for every individual's life because whatever we are doing right now,
Mhm.
why? Because we want to publicly expose self. We just want to
Mhm.
in a
We
reality.
can, yeah, yeah, we can articulate your thought in a very good manner to easily understand each and every person. Means we have the means power to express thoughts in a public manner means public domain. So we
Mm,
can stand and tell something. What's opinion? It means the public speaking means according to my knowledge. Public speaking give the give the
more
means
confident.
method. No, no, they give the method. Publishing a method where you can use to express your thought in the audience, and after that, doing these things. So can you? Yeah.
You were right. And there
Mm-hmm.
you are going to have the multiple opinions. So after receiving the multiple opinions, you are going to prepare yourself for giving the relevant answer on that each topics. This is a very important for you. So whenever in future if you get chance, any opportunity to get to give your presentations, yeah, any speech on stage, never let miss
Mm-hmm.
that. I would say.
Yeah, correct, correct. So preparation is also important, and feeling confident is also important. I think if you underconfident, feeling over underconfident, so you don't articulate your thought in a very well manner, and after that you have a problem of fear and anxiety. But if you do on a regular basis, you practice a lot as far as your knowledge and your confidence, then you deliver your thought in a very good manner.
Yes, you are
Yeah,
right.
that's it.
Okay, so I think
Yeah,
we should end up this session today, and it was really
yeah,
amazing conversation with you
yeah,
ever.
yeah. Thank you. This is a very good session, and in future we can connect and next time. So thank you. Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.